CITIC Telecom International CPC Limited of Hong Kong, China is a Stevie Award winner in the 2021 Asia-Pacific Stevie Awards. CITIC Telecom CPC won the Gold Stevie Award for Innovation in Technology Development for AR Remote Hand, an augmented reality-based operations and maintenance solution to transform the customer experience, which also won a Grand Stevie Award for being the highest-rated nomination from China. CITIC Telecom CPC serves multinational enterprises the world over by addressing their specific ICT requirements with highly scalable, tailored solutions built upon their flagship technology suites.
This is Esmond Lee, CEO of CITIC Telecom CPC. It's our honor to be named for both 2021 Grand Stevie Award of the China Nation and Gold Stevie Award for Innovation in Technology Development. The award is an endorsement of our success in delivering outstanding and innovative service to our valued customers. CITIC Telecom CPC's AR Remote Hand is a transformational operations and maintenance solution which brings exceptional experience to our customers and field engineers. With our aim of delivering a global, local ICT service to our customers, we will continuously strive to bring more innovative solutions to the market. Once again, thank you for the honor.